Oh my god. Man, why'd you break my toy, dude?
I'm sorry. On today's episode of Life of Ballen, we got some cheap cars here that Byron has gracefully invested in. You should tell us about your cars that you got.
We got one of the original OG Gravediggers.
Beautiful.
Facebook Marketplace, you know. It's got the old GQ radio. It's actually in really good condition. I'm gonna try to keep it that way.
Yeah, I think you should keep that. I mean, like, this is a collector's item.
Yeah.
I know you guys probably have seen this before and you can't get them anymore.
I mean, it's like...
Yeah, it hasn't been bashed hard or anything. All original electronics, everything.
Yeah. It's a short chassis, if you can see it. The green, you know, old school. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. We'll keep that one beautiful.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, Byron, you ready to use your new $100 Bigfoot?
Yep.
What are you thinking this thing's gonna do, man? You gonna have a good day with it?
Probably, hopefully.
Yeah, you don't whack somebody with that antenna there. Whoa, watch out, man. All right, I'm ready whenever you are, Byron.
All right. Oh, the tire broke.
What just happened? What just happened? Oh my god.
Oh, it broke. Can't have nothing else now.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine, just keep sending.
I can't believe we just did that. I smacked the mailbox. Oh no.
What?
It's still rolling.
Best investment ever.
Best investment ever. Gravedigger.
Oh my god.
What's going on? What's happening?
Oh no. Man, why'd you break my toy, dude?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, here goes the tire.
Oh, it broke up inside of the wheel.
It broke everything.
But your controller's not broke yet, Byron. What are you gonna do about that?
I don't know.
Dude, I'm dying. Byron's killing me.
Oh. Oh,
He's coming back over.
okay, I'm getting out of the way because. Oh my god! Oh, Brett! Hey! You were looking at it instead of... I was just watching Brett. Oh man, it's got carnage already. It's got a lot of carnage already. Oh no. Oh! Why'd you stop?
I didn't want to kill the foot.
No, let's see. Now just rip it that way.
I didn't want to kill the foot.
Oh, you already what's up? Oh my god. Oh, where'd the other tire go? Oh, you ripped the controller in half, bro. You destroyed it. Oh. Brett. Where's the other part of the controller? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. controller didn't do nothing to you.
Finish your
Go.
No, here. You gotta do it. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh, it locked up.
Hold on, I got it.
Oh, there it goes. Oh my God.
I know.
Oh my God. It is stuck.
Oh God.
There's a pinion. Well, that was a great time.
That was fantastic. How did I break the X-Max?
I don't know.
I think it was not from that. It was probably you.
Yes, I was yanking that thing, man.
Dude, look at the freaking.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I mean, the body's still nice. We could sell that. Look at, wait, hold on. Look at the dirt underneath
I know,
it.
because of the shocks. Dude, look at this. It broke this shock. Where's the spring at?
The spring is gone. Oh.
Trash. Trash.
Oh no.
Hold on.
Oh no.
Curve stop.
I would say the body's pretty terrible. There's some parts right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of parts right there on that.
The more parts, controller parts. Oh.
Nope. So the green spring, there's no telling where it went. We have the other three.
Oh,
Barely.
oh my gosh. Look how sad it looks. It just looks so sad. Huh.
It's still mint.
Yeah, it is. We can still sell it pretty cheap.
All right, guys. I thought it was going to stay clean, but I didn't know he tied it up. Why would you destroy my new toy?
I'm sorry I broke in your toy.
You broke it, it. But that's okay. Anyways, go to lifeofballen.com. We got some new shirts that dropped.
Here's a little behind the scenes of what we're doing here. We're tying this rope to the wheelie bar so that we can drive it through the culvert. So you can see what video we're about to make. Perfect. See, came out here. So we have a rope through here that we need.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, the shot. Oh, God. Coming back over. Oh my God! Oh! Yeah, that's what I did earlier. I know! Curse off.
I would say the body's pretty terrible.
Anyways, go to lifeofballen.com. We got some new shirts that dropped.